This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video we will discuss short question answers of chapter Introduction to Programming in C language. So let's start with the question number 1. The question is define computer program. The answer is set of instructions given to the computer are known as a computer program or software. Next number. Question number 2. The question is, what is computer programming? The answer is the process of feeding or storing these instructions in the computer is known as computer programming. Next number 3. Question is, who is programmer? The answer is the person who knows how to create, or you can call it write, a computer program is known as a computer, or you can call it programmer. Just programmer is enough. Next number, question number 4. Question is who and when C language was developed. The answer is C language was developed by Sir Dennis Ritchie between 1969 and 1973 at Bell Laboratories. Next number, question number 5. What is programming language? The answer is programmers write computer programs in these special languages: C, C++, Java, etc., called programming languages. Java, C, C++, C#, Python are some of the most commonly used programming languages. Next number 7. The question is, number 6. What is programming environment? The answer is a collection of all the necessary tools for programming makes up a programming environment. It is essential to set up a programming environment before we start writing programs. It works as a basic platform for us to write and execute programs. Next number 7. And the question is, what is integrated development environment? The answer is the software that provides a programming environment to facilitate programmers in writing and executing computer programs. Is known as an integrated development environment. Or we can call it IDE as well. An IDE has a graphical user interface, which is also called GUI. Meaning that a user can interact with it using windows and buttons to provide input to get output. Next number 8. Question is, write down the IDEs for C programming language. The answer is Visual Studio, Xcode, Code Blocks, and Dev C++. Next number 9. Question is, what is the purpose of compiler in C language, or what is text editor? The answer is a text editor. It's a software that allows programmers to write and edit computer programs. All IDEs has its own specific text editors. Next number 10. The question is, what is the purpose of text editor? Compiler in C language, or what is compiler? Compiler is software that is responsible for conversion of a computer program written in some high-level programming language to machine language code. Number 11. What is syntax? The answer is the set of rules used to write an accurate program is known as syntax of the language. Syntax can be thought of as grammar of a programming language. Next, number 12. Last question of today's video. Question is, what is syntax error? The answer is, while programming, if proper syntax or rules of the programming language are not followed, the program does not compile. In this case, the compiler generates an error this kind of errors are called syntax errors. That's all, viewers. We have discussed 12 questions, starting from question number 1 till question number 12 in today's video. In our next video, we'll discuss more short question and answers of the same chapter, Introduction to Programming in C language. That's all. Thanks for watching.